Okay, let's do these. Right, okay, hopefully you found them nice and easy. I'll go through them. Let's see how you get on. Okay, 6 over 100. Well, that is out of 100, so therefore that is 6%. 81 out of 100. Well, that is out of 100, so that is 81%. 3 out of 10. Well, I can times that by 10 and times that by 10, so that's going to be 30%. 7 over 10. Well, I can times that by 10, I can times that by 10, which is 70 over 100, therefore that is 70%. Easy work. Okay, let's get a little bit harder now. 7 divided by 8. So, little bus stop, 7 there, 8 there. 8 goes into 7 0 times. Put a point, 0. Right, how many times does 8... Oh, there we go. How many times does 8 go into 70? Well, 8 times 8 is 64, isn't it? So it's going to be 8 times with 6 left over. How many times does 8 go into 60? Well, that's going to be 7 times with 4 left over. How many times does 8 go into 40? 5 times. 0.875. So therefore, what I need to do there, times that by 100, and that's going to be 87.5%. Right, okay. 4 divided by 5. Okay. Oh, we've got 5 there, 4 there. How many times does 5 go into 4? It goes in 0 times. Okay. Point. How many times does 5 go into 40? It goes in 8 times. Times that by 100. 80%. How many times does 3 go into 1? Let's do that. 3 on the outside, 1 on the inside. 3 goes into 1 0 times, with 1 left over. 3 goes into 10 3 times, with 1 left over. And 3 times. And as you can see, it's going to be recurring, isn't it? So that's going to be 33.33 recurring percent. Okay. 3 over 4. Right, okay. So I've got to do 3 divided by 4. So 4 into 3 goes 0 times. Put a point, put a 0. Put your 3 there. How many times does 4 go into 30? 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. So it's got 2 left over there. And how many times does 4 go into 20? It's 5 times. Times that by 100, and I've got 75%. Okay. 7 over 12. Wow. Okay, let's do this one. So 12 going into 7. 12 goes into 7 0 times. Point. 70. Well, 12 times 5 is 60, isn't it? But it's going to have 10 left over. So it's going to be 5 times with 10 left over. So it's going to be 100. Okay. How many times does 12 go into 100? Ooh, what is that? Okay, so we got 72, 84, 96, don't we? So that's going to be 8 times altogether, with 4 left over. Okay, how many times does 12 go into 40? 12, 24, 36. It's going to go in 3 times, and again with 4 left over. So that's going to be 3 times. So there's going to be a recurrence there, isn't there? So if we times that by 10, that is going to be 58.33 recurring percent. Okay, last one. So I've got 7 over 20. How many times does 20 go into 7? Right, okay. So 20 into 7. So it's going to be, 20 goes into 7 0 times. Add a point, add a 0. 20 goes into 70, 20, 40, 60, 3 times with 10 left over. And 20 goes into 100, 5 times. 0.35 times that by 100, 35%. And there you go. That's them all done. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. Please let me know what else I can do, what other topics you want covering. And of course, please do subscribe, tell your friends, blah, 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 blah. You know how it works. All right then, see you next time. Bye.